Hello everyone, welcome to this Windows 10 tutorial video in which we are going to see that how can you check if your Windows C or C drive basically can be extended for additional memory space or not. So basically if you go to this PC on your laptop or desktop, then you can see you have multiple devices and drives. So in the C drive, as you can see, I have around 78 gigs of space that is free. Next, I have a D drive that has around 45.8 gigs of space free, and in the drive E, I have 112 gigs of space that is free. Now what I want to do here is I want to extend my C drive so that now I have around 100 gigs or 150 gigs of space that is available in this case. I know that I can take some space from my E drive and add it over here, but for that purpose what I need to do is firstly I need to check that whether this thing is even possible or not, whether just extending the volume of a particular drive is possible for me or not. So how do we check this? What you need to do is just press Windows R from your keyboard. This would bring up the run menu like this. Then in this run menu, just type in disk mgmt.msc, all in small, disk 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 mgmt.msc, and click on OK. So once you do that, disk management window will open up like this. You can see there are two disks in my case, disk 0 that has the C drive and disk 1 that has D and E drives. So let us see if I can extend my C drive or not. So for this, what you need to do is just go onto this space that says C drive, right click and check for this extend volume option. If it is enabled, then you can extend your C drive. If it is not enabled, it is disabled, like in my case, that means you cannot extend your C drive. Similarly, what you can do is for the other things also, you can just check for the D drive also it's not extendable, for the E drive also it's not extendable. That means I cannot extend my drives. That means all my drives are using the space as optimized as possible. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.